Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch photo editing. First, open your chosen image in an editing program like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. Duplicate the background layer immediately to ensure your original photo remains untouched. This crucial first step provides a safety net, allowing you to experiment freely without fear of permanent changes. You will be working on this duplicated layer throughout the entire process, preserving your initial image. Next, we will explore the key tools within your editing software. Many programs offer specific filters designed to mimic sketch effects, such as Find Edges or Graphic Pen. Experiment with these to see which best suits your desired style. Additionally, mastering brush settings for opacity and flow will give you fine control over line thickness and shading, allowing for a truly customized artistic outcome. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, desaturate your duplicated layer completely, removing all color. Then, invert the colors of this layer, which will create a negative image. Next, apply a Gaussian blur filter, typically with a radius of around 5 pixels, to soften the lines. Finally, change the blending mode of this layer to Color Dodge, and you will see your photo transform into a sketch. To refine your sketch, adjust the contrast and brightness to enhance line definition and overall clarity. Use an eraser tool to meticulously clean up any unwanted lines or smudges, ensuring a polished result. Consider adding subtle textures or paper overlays to give your digital sketch a more authentic, hand-drawn feel. Experiment with various line thicknesses and shading techniques to achieve your unique artistic vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.